The light in me honors and recognizes the light in you. Namaste, and welcome to the path of yoga. There's a reason that you step onto your yoga mat and move your body. What is it? What else does yoga bring you? You see, yoga began as an intentional path towards intimacy with life, as well as an exploration of movement potential. The physical postures allowed the body to become less restless, which made meditation more attainable. In sport yoga, these yogic concepts and ideologies are creatively combined with modern-day fitness to bring a blend of both mindset and movement information to yourself and for you to bring to other students. The path of yoga is continuous and endless, and in each moment, there is an opportunity to tune into the path towards your greatest potential. In this section, you will see 3 modules: timeline, benefits of yoga, and ideology. The history of yoga extends back possibly thousands of years, and these ancient practices can still be directed towards aspects of modern-day life. The benefits of yoga are much greater than just stretching out muscles and expand into the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual spaces of life as well. Lastly, the ideology of yoga is really the foundation of what yoga is about, your own mental fortitude. In this module, you will read about 3 main concepts of yoga that direct towards a life of greater peace and bliss, as well as an understanding of physical asana, or postures. Yogic lifestyle can be used as a system towards a greater relationship with yourself, with your life, and where you want to lead. These concepts are beneficial and a part of sport yoga because just like you step onto your yoga mat for more reasons than to just move your body, your students do the same. Allowing yourself to connect to the greater purpose of why you practice movement can create more motivation, excitement, and compassion towards your inner self. Yoga shines light on where we can grow and use this information as another tool to create more purpose and passion in your life, so you will inspire your sport yoga students to do the same. As always, have fun. Namaste.